Hey, wait, yeah, okay. So, hey guys, hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Daniel, and this is World War Heroes, as you can see on the screen. And as you can tell, I am sick, really sick. And I don't even think I can go over to Kellen's house. Oh, crap. Oh, Jesus. Team Deathmatch, Starting Ground. Okay, guys. So let's just get right into this. Hey, what? Hey, I was not paying attention. I had to get my glasses back on. Okay, let's go. Dang it. He was up there. I just couldn't get him. You see him up there? I should have used the med kit. Hey, what was that? In the round? Already? I got one headshot and a victory XP 10. A theme Bob 10. The next round. Oh Jesus, I am so sick. Next round starts in 8, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're doing the same place. Actually, where are we? Oh, okay. Yo, this is Call of Duty. Yo, this is like Call of Duty. What? This game. What? Okay. And you see that like the medical sign on the side of the screen that's green? Whenever you press that, there we go. Oh, someone got me. Oh, he was right there. Dang it. Medkit. Okay. Oh, it was all the way over there. I don't even get how that's possible, but okay. Wait, I need to get back up here. And then come over here and get on top. So good. Where are they? Okay, I'm just gonna stay now. Okay. Okay, I'm healing. Wait, where was he? Oh my gosh. He was there and I didn't see him. I'm upstairs now. Get back up here. Let's get up here. Wait, what? He has a powerful gun. Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. I need to go over to my equipment. This? Well, I need to upgrade. Wait, what? It's 120, I only have 92. Oh, that sucks. Hold on, let me finish with my video and then I'll show you. Yo, also guys, hold on. There we go. Now we're good. I'm American. Also guys, y'all know my brother y'all don't know him actually, because he's been making all these sorts of videos thinking they automatically upload to YouTube, as he deletes them, so he has stories for more. Then he's never even uploaded one. Like, what the crap is this? But guys, that will have to be the end of this video. Sadly, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, wait, I already said that, didn't I? Well, it doesn't matter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for more videos just like this one. Comment down below what other games I should play, and I guess I will see you guys next time.